Our step 9 is finished, we're gonna start on step 10 for our seal. First, we're gonna replace our hangers with appropriate steaming hangers, and then we're gonna check to see if the steam tank is filled with 1 to 3 centimeters of water. We're gonna hang the parts in steam tank. We're gonna turn on the steam tank and set our timer for 30 minutes. Now, we have this visual aid right here for which appropriate steaming hangers we're going to use for each part. For our flywheel, our top plate and our bottom plate, we're going to use the Z hook. For our bearing support, we're going to use our C hook. And for our hubs, we're going to use our S hooks. And then here is our steaming tank. We're going to check to see if it has 1 or 3 centimeters of water.
Alright, now we're going to go and grab the hooks from the drawer. So we're going to get 3 Z hooks. And we're going to grab 2 S hooks. And 1 C hook. We're going to lay it on the tray. And we're going to bring it over to our tanks. Make sure the valve is off. We'll open up the lid. And we're going to take all these out and lay it on the tray. This one we're going to we're going to change the hooks to the appropriate hooks, so we're going to take these off. So I'm going to use the Z hooks for the plates. We're going to use the C hook for this. And then we're going to use the S hooks with these. Now we're going to take these parts and put it in the pot here. So just move the lid. Put the big plates in first. Make sure they're in the middle. The smaller parts on either side. And then we're going to close the lid and turn it on. So you can see the numbers here, so we just have to go in order. So we're going to turn it on, and then we're going to set the timer on here as well for 30 minutes.
Start.
Alright, and then we're going to do one final check to make sure that none of the parts are submerged in water. So it looks good here. So just to check again. Yep, none of them is in the water. So put it back on.
Start.
Alright, and at this point you finish all the stuff for anodizing, so you can start cleaning up and putting things back into its original location. These back in the drawer.